The Tikom L8000 Robot Vacuum is equipped with a 360-degree LiDAR navigation system that smartly maps your home, making it a suitable choice for multi-floor households. With a powerful 3,000 PA suction, this robotic vacuum efficiently picks up debris, dust, and pet hair from various surfaces, including hard floors, tiles, wooden floors, and low-pile carpets. The L8000 is not just a vacuum, but also a mop, offering multiple cleaning modes and the ability to sweep and mop simultaneously, thanks to its advanced mop technology and 3-level water output. A large battery capacity allows for a runtime of up to 150 minutes in quiet mode, and the vacuum will automatically return to its charging station when the battery is low or the cleaning task is complete. The vacuum is capable of resuming cleaning from the last location after recharging, ensuring no area is left uncleaned. The device offers convenient app voice control, allowing you to customize cleaning modes, set virtual walls or no-go zones, and works with Alexa and Google Home.